Morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. Things are a little lower this morning. We've got corn down 2.5, beans down 6.25, with wheat down about 4 3/4 cents. Lighter volume for corn and wheat, but for beans, not too bad. We've got crush numbers that are going to be coming out here at 11 o'clock, so trade's going to be watching that for beans. But a lot of back and forth. We opened up the beans last night. We were down about 11 cents. They came all the way back to almost unchanged this morning. Finally closing the overnight session there down 6.25. But there will be some volatility. A lot of guys watching the frost and the isolated points that we may have seen some damage. But I think that was kind of expected. But going forth, no frost in the forecast through the end of the month. And that's going to probably keep things under pressure and find any kind of rallies, probably as selling opportunities yet as we still move forth with an enormous crop. FSA numbers are going to be released tomorrow is what they're saying. So we'll see if that does have a factor on these markets as well. As far as the CFTC report, so the Commitment of Traders report on Friday, managed funds increased their long corn position here by 1,350, but increased their short position in beans, 14,212, and in wheat, 13,372. So still very negative here as far as beans and wheat. Looking at livestock, cattle trading last week, 161, 162, down $1 to $2. Early talk this week, maybe steady, but they did close the week on a weaker note, an outside week down. Could be looked at as more of a double top there on the charts as well. So a little bit negative chart patterns there may end up keeping some pressure on the cattle for the early start this week. As far as hogs, maybe look for a little lower opening there too. Cutout values down 96. Still some negative chart patterns there for hogs as well. So maybe a more of a negative tone surrounding livestock here as we start things off at 9:05 this morning. Outside market, stock market up 5 points, gold up $4, silver up just a little bit, with the dollar continuing its trend higher, up 12.5 cents. Probably going to keep some pressure around the commodities in general, but the dollar strength is still, well, we're still looking at it here this morning, so 12.5 higher there. But give us a call if you guys have any questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.